Begin by opening up your postcard file. You're going to notice that we actually have two sides to this postcard. The first side is actually just static data, so we're going to go ahead and delete out the first side. Now we're left with just the back. This is going to contain our variable data, so we're actually going to save it, give it a new name. So we're going to relabel this postcard back on the desktop, choose Save. Now that we have it saved as a new file, we're going to go in and start our variable data. So we're going to go into Tools, Mailings and Catalogs, and then choose Mail Merge. We're going to choose from an existing list, and then we're going to select that list, which is on my desktop, called Mailing List, and then we're going to choose Open. We have different worksheets in this particular file, so I'm going to choose the current worksheet, choose OK, and now we're ready to choose which fields we want. We want an address block. Notice we're missing the company name, so we're going to go into Match Fields, and we're going to use the drop-down next to Company, choose the proper field, choose OK, choose OK again. And actually, before we do that, we can actually sort through. Now we've actually put that address field on the postcard. We can actually select the text, change the font, resize that. Make sure you give yourself plenty of room, just in case you have a long address line. Notice as I shift through my records, I can see the differences. And then we're going to go Next. Now I'm going to go File, Print Merge, and it's going to bring up the print dialog box. Notice we're on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. We want to change that to 11 by 17 so we can go ahead and get more postcards per page. And we need to make sure we change this to multiple pages per sheet. Typically you could just go print, but what I want to do is actually show you what this is going to look like. So I'm going to actually print this to a PDF file. Choose OK, and actually before I choose OK I'm going to select just a few of the postcards. Choose Print. And we'll save this to the desktop and give it a new name. And this will open up as a PDF file. That way you can kind of get a visual of what this is going to look like. Notice it's not repeating the addresses. If we didn't choose multiple pages per sheet and left it on multiple copies per sheet, it would actually repeat the addresses throughout the entire page. So now that we have this done, we can actually go ahead, close out, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to open up that first postcard that I initially deleted page 1 from. You're going to notice we still have page 1 on the original file, so we're going to actually delete out the variable data side, which is page 2, the back side. And for this, we can go ahead and we can say print. This one we do want multiple copies per sheet. We're going to specify 11 by 17. And that's it. We are ready to go. Notice our visual. Now when we're ready to print, just choose the print dialog option.